Hey, what's up, guys? Carlos here with Bulls of Crypto. Today's review will be on Kava. So let's get down to it. Kava's been chopping for quite some time since February in a bigger picture. And if we zoom out, we do see that they created a bit of a space here, a bit of a gap in this area here from this left-hand side back in August of 20th. And then they trapped this year in that area back in March, and then they came back down to what would have been the low. But it looks like I think lows are already set. They're just going to keep moving off of this area. I don't think they're going to come back to it. And the reason for that is if we look over here to the left hand side, we're going to see that there's some trap volume here in these pins. And I do feel that they're going to possibly come into this little area over here, um, and start to pin this little area and start to flip off of this zone here to the left hand side. Price is at about 5.14, so 514. Right now, price is sitting at about 4.5, so $4.50. I'd like to see this move up to that $5.19, $5.20 area. I do feel that price will start to play inside of this larger area here, this 5.8 and eventually this 8.2, and just blow past that high and eventually start to move up. I do feel that there's a bit of a pattern that has painted out in this area here. We have one leg here, and then we have another leg over here in this area. So we'll see how this plays out. But overall, I do feel that this is going to move. I feel like this area here was just pretty much a trap. They failed to hit that low with this possible safety trade that's setting up. If these EMAs cross here, which they look like they're starting to cross, but once they cross, we should expect a bit of a pullback and then a bounce maybe off of that EMA and then a continuation to the upside. RSI at the moment is above the 50. It's at 63. So we'll see how this plays out. Overall, we do feel that these markets are still bullish regardless of that pullback that happened. After that pullback, we do have some chop, but after the chop, I feel that these markets are just going to explode, and they're just going to move, and everyone's going to start to want to get in again. And then it's just like a cycle that happens. They're going to start to create new highs, and that's when people start to get in, and then they start to move back down and people start to sell and they get scared. That's just the nature of the market. But you have to be ready psychologically to endure these movements. You have to understand that at least the way I look at these markets is long term. Understand that it comes with these motions and you just got to go through it. So all right, guys. If there's any projects you want reviewed, drop them in the comments. More than happy to get that done for you guys. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, comment, and tell a friend. And when you do subscribe, make sure to click the bell to turn on your notifications so you do not miss a single update. All right, guys. Until next time, thanks for watching. Peace.